Dang, she actually doesn't jump too bad, boys. Alright guys, if you've seen the last video, you know what this video is about. Tell him, Code.
He's coming out.
Code's gonna get the 2-stroke out of storage, and he's gonna rip it around the yard and probably possibly take it on some trails for us. And yeah, everyone likes 2-strokes, right?
It's hard to beat that sound.
Yeah, and it's our only one, so it's like we gotta get it out, man. It's a little bit colder a day today, but we're still gonna send it.
Well, it's send her.
Alright guys, we're gonna cut to Code trying to get this thing started. Thing looks sweet, fun to ride. Dang, she actually doesn't jump too bad, boys. How's she running, man?
Oh, not too bad.
How's,
Not too bad. You're pretty good.
how's she feel, dude? Man, that has to feel completely different than The 450 is usually right.
When you jump in it, you can definitely tell it has no goddamn suspension like the other ones.
Wow, man, you were full on sending it though.
Thing's fun, man.
Yeah, she gurgles a little bit weird. She probably needs to be tuned up a little bit better, but
For a while though.
yeah, she's probably been in storage for a year, guys. We don't take this thing out hardly ever, but you know what? We definitely should because she rips.
The ripping's is fun and you can't beat that sound.
Yeah, man, that was awesome to see. Oh man, what do you think about your son ripping on the two-stroke?
You just better be careful.
Yeah.
That'll be broken next.